नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने YouTube चैनल जस्ट डू इट पर। तो दोस्तों आज हम लोग एसबीआई क्लर्क का 5th नंबर का मॉक करेंगे 2023 का। और दोस्तों अगर आपने इस मॉक को अटेम्प्ट किया हो तो आप कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि आपका कितना स्कोर आया इस मॉक में, सेक्शन वाइज बताना, और आपको इसका लेवल कैसा लगा ये भी ज़रूर बताना। तो दोस्तों चलिए देखते इसका लेवल कैसा रहता है और मेरे कितने मार्क्स आते हैं इस मॉक में। तो चलिए दोस्तों मॉक को स्टार्ट करते हैं। PERPENDICULAR. How many letters are there which is immediately followed by vowel and immediately preceded by consonant? Vowel, letter, consonant. 1 2 3 sorry 2. All chapels are cathedral. Only few cathedrals are basilics. Some cathedrals are chapels. Some chapels can be basil. All basil are chapels. 1 and 2. Only a few hills are hips. Only a few hills are hip. No hip is keep. Some sheep are hill. All hills cannot be cliffs. All hills cannot be cliffs. All hills can be hips. All hills can be hip. Only 2. Only a few pictures are motifs. Only a few graphics are motifs. Some graphics are definitely not motifs. Some pictures are graph. Some pictures are graph. Some pictures are graph. All picture can never be motif. All picture can never be motif. Only 1 and 3. इसको करेंगे लास्ट में। 8 people, 8 different floor, 1 to 8 from bottom to top. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. D lives on 6th floor. 3 people live between D and T. U lives immediately above T. Only 1 person live between U and N. 3 people live between N and F. F is below T. 1 2 3. F is below T. P lives above K. P lives below R. P lives above K. P lives below R. On which floor does K live? 4th. 9 person are sitting around circular table facing the center. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3 3 6 3 9. Yes, who sits immediate left of W? Yes, who sits immediate left of W? Sits third to the right of V. To the right of V. 3 persons in between Q and U. P sits third to the left of X and second to the right of V. R sits 4 to the right of W. R sits 4 to the right of W. X sits immediate left of Q. V 1 2 S W P नॉन X Q 1 2 3 U 1 2 3 R. How many persons between T and S when counted from left of T? 1 2 3. What is the position of R with respect to Q? Second to the right. according to the alphabetical order from P in clockwise direction, facing in P in clockwise direction, in left Q R S T U V W X 2, Q sits adjacent to T and X. T does not sit adjacent to S. W sits second to the right of P. All are true. W sits immediate left of X, who sits over to the left. How 7 boxes are stacked one over the other such that each box has different code atom in it. W has wheat or in it. B is immediately above L. L has rice. 3 boxes are between B and the one which has salt. In it such that B is above the letter. Tomato are kept in the box which is immediately above corn. Two boxes are there between Q and the one which has onion. X has onion in it. Two boxes are below the one which has mushroom. Mushroom. 3 4 5 6 7 3 3 6 7. R is immediately below A. R is immediately below A. B 1 2 3 salt. L rice. Tomato corn. तीन चार पाँच. B L rice. 1 2 3 salt. Tomato corn. W wheat. W H immediately R. W wheat. Q onion. A R. R is immediately below A. X has onion in it. Okay. How many boxes are kept below W? None. Which item is kept immediately below L? Onion X. Are kept above which has tomatoes. Dwelling boxes kept boxes are above the box which has tomatoes. Combination is box and kept in it correct. B tomato, A salt, R mushroom, Q corn, A mushroom. What is the position of box Q in the stack? Seven person A, C, D, G, H, I, J work in a publishing company in different designations. The designation are in increasing order. Assistant editor, managing editor, design assistant, designer, head of design, manager. That manager is the senior most. Charu is immediately senior to Adil but junior to Dilip. Only 3 persons are senior to Dilip. Neither G nor J is senior most. The number of persons junior to A is same as senior to J. A J pair. Ishan is junior to Gima. D C A J G I H I H. Among the following is senior most person. H. G designer, junior to Ishan, none, 0. E is immediately senior to I. इसको लास्ट में करेंगे. There are 6 friends who live at different distance, direction, north, south, east, west. G is 3 west of K, G is 3 meter west of K, P is 3 east of K, P is 3 east of K, M is 8 south of P, O is 3 west of M, L is 4 north of O, K is the north of L. In which direction K is with respect to P? West. Shortest distance between L and M? 5 meter. Who will come? 8 person ABCD sitting facing north. 1 3 4 5 6 7 8. B seated third to the left of A. 3 persons were seated between A and F. E was seated 4 to the right of D. B was not neighboring of D. C was seated neighboring of G. 2 persons were seated between C and D. At least 2 persons were seated to the left of H. Minimum 2. T 1 2 3 सुन E 3 4 5 3 सुन E बीच में कोई था, बी एक अननोन फ्रॉम ए। बी एक अननोन फ्रॉम ए, एफ एफ तीन 6 7 8 where seated extremely of E. How many persons sit to the left of H? 2. What was the position of D with respect to A immediate left? How many persons sit between A and C? 1. In which of the following groups is third person seated neighboring of first person and second person? DBH, CDAG, GEC, DHA. How many such letters are there in which are immediately preceded as well succeeded by letter? Letter. 1 2 3. How many such letters are there in the string between which come before N? 1 2 3 4. Which of the following symbol is succeeded as well as preceded by letter in the given string? Letter symbol. 1 2 3 How many vowels are there in the string which is succeeded by number? 1 2. If the first and second digit of each number are interchanged, then how many numbers will be less than 500? 4 5 3 2. What is the sum of fourth highest number and lowest number in the sequence? Fourth highest, first highest, second, third, fourth, and the lowest number 231. 885. If in each number even digit is decreased by 1, and then which number will be corresponding to the fourth lowest number in the sequence? Fourth lowest 3 3 6. Second highest 7. lowest 1. तीन 4. If 1 is subtracted from each number, how many numbers will be divisible by 3? 4 आणि 3 7 आणि 4 11 8 आणि 7 14 आणि 6 20 7 आणि 7 14 15 आणि 8 23 3 आणि 2 5 6 आणि 5 11 12 13 14 6 आणि 5 11 आणि 6 17 9 सॉरी अरे यार एक गलत कर दिया मैंने, लास्ट वाला मैंने गलत कर दिया वो। एक मिनट दोस्तों, तो दोस्तों अब करते हैं क्वांट को स्टार्ट। रीजनिंग में यार एक मेरा हाथों से मेरा गलत हो गया, अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है। तो अब क्वांट को करते हैं। टू वन टू प्लस 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 2 4 2 1 6 इज इक्वल टू x क्यूब 6 1 by 4 18 minus 17 1 8 16 25 200 plus 25 minus x is equal to 15 to 10 2x is equal to 14 plus 14 28 14 9 minus 16 plus 4096 19 28 4 8 4 12 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 375 मायनस केला 220 20 भागिले 5 4 64 640 80 740 720 माइनस 53 1 इज इक्वल टू x माइनस 21 10 निकला 9 11 4 गेले 7 6 49 21 9 10 आणि 8 9 0 700 60 plus 180 240 is equal to x plus 70 minus 13 60 57 सात गेले 3 13 183 8 divided by 16 into 16 sorry 16 raised to power 5 into 16 square 16 cube 16 into 16 into 16 16 56 512 2 4 16 2 5 20 32 2 6 64 7 28 2 9 5. शी 12 x क्यूब 8 क्यूब 9. इसको करेंगे लास्ट में 14 प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 21 2 3 14 11 तुम 4 गेले 7 2 1 7. सेवन 1/7 इंटू 7 चौकटे 7 7 कम 42 6 7 कम 42 इंटू 17 680 34 8 3 11 714 13 8 24 20 8 20 22 23 24 divided by 15. X is equal to 96 by x into 15 4 30 1 by 5 10 101 plus 20 28 7 40 56 196 296 297 by 3 into 7 by 5 into 3 by 4 into 540 3 by 4 into 540 4 24 350 28 378. The pie chart given below shows the represent number of factories in 5 different countries. Also, the number of factories in each country represented percentage of total number of factories in all 5 countries: India, Canada, China, America, France. India, Canada, China, America, France. Total 4200. Average number of factories in America and France. America, France 40 45. 21 84 105 945. Number of factories in China is increased by 20%. China is increased by 20%. China after increment 72 36 756. Find the ratio of number of factories between Canada and China. 18 15 6 5. Difference between average of the factories in India and China together and America and France together. India and China 22 15 30 37 by 2 and America and France 40 45 by 2 3 5 5 5 3 8 by 2 म्हणजे 4 160 168. Two quantities, compare both quantities and choose the correct. Number of factories in Canada 18% and India 22. 18 22. One is less than 2. In cinema, some people watch at least one movie among young and young. Total number of people who watch movies are 500. 20% of total people watch only M. 20% of total number of people who watch only M. number of people who watch only movie N is 80 more than both movies M and N. $400 is equal to 2x plus 80, 320, 160, 240. Find the difference between total number of people who watch only movie M and total people who watch both M and N. 60. Find the average total number of people who watch movie P and N together. Average of total number of people who watch movie P and N together is 460, 920, 300, 400, 520, P 520. Find the ratio of total number of people who watch only movie N and number of people who watch only movie M respectively. 260, 12:13. 171, 172, 176, 185, 201, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 226, 580, 557, 528, 497, 31, 30, 29, 23, 37, 460. 70560, 180, 1680, 33684, 40, 832. So into 5, 3, 28, 86, 92, 110, 140, 182, 60, 18, 30, 42, 23, 12, 54, 236, 10, 42, 102, 226, 450, 2 minus 2, 60, 100, 24, 200, 230 minus 6, 224, 100, 64, 8, 36, 24, 16, 8, 18, A percentage of A is to B is 13:19. Difference between their ages is 12 years. 26, 38. Find the age of C after 4 years. the present of C is equal to average of A and B. 50, 58, 14, 64, 32. C after 4 years 36. Two tabs A and B can fill in 15 and 12, while third pipe C alone can empty the full in 6 hours if initially the tank is empty and all three pipes are open together. It will take how much time to fill 75% of the tank? 40 दिन 15 hours. Upstream speed of A and B are 3:5. Stream flowing with speed S is equal to 5. The travel difference between downstream speed of both boats is 8. इसको करेंगे लास्ट. Ratio of male otters to female otters 9:5. 20% of male otters and 200 female otters did not cast their oat. It is to 5. Female otters 90x minus 18x 50x minus 200 equal to 8 by 5 72 x 9 x 45 x is equal to 50 x minus 200 5x 40 x is equal to 40. Find the total number of female otters. 2000. By selling 45 lemons for rupees 40, a man loses 20%. When should he sell for rupees 24 to win 20%? 40 by 45 is equal to 1 G cost. A train length x plus 30 running with speed x minus 75, speed x minus 75, under the train 210 for running with speed 55 in opposite direction 10.8 seconds. Is plus x. X minus 20 2x shared by 10 24 plus 10x 108x minus which is 60 240 8x 120. What is the difference between speed of both train? invested over 4 years at R%. %, 4 दूने 8, 4 8 32 3, 24, 12%. Total sum of received after 3 years when same sum is invested 12 8 20%, 60 में 5 6 8. Then find the total sum received after 3 years when the sum is invested at R plus interest for the same sum 24,000. 24 4 32 8 64 4 7 384. 64 8 raised to power 4, 4 raised to power 10, 220, 212 into 16 square 28 12. और एक यार हो सकता था और मेरा ठीक है दोस्तों, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। अब करते हैं इंग्लिश को स्टार्ट। इसको करेंगे लास्ट में। CE graphic designers embedded cryptic references because it adds a story to the brand, because they want people to spend more time with the brand and have that idea that they are an insider, if they can understand the hidden message. There are about 72 seagrass species distributed across the world's temperate and tropical oceans. These meadows trap sediments, absorb nutrients, and give us clear water. Seagrasses are flowering marine, adapted to survive in marine conditions. They are source of food, shelter, and they are mostly found in shallow. B. The key difference between two types of river, Himalayan plain are rain fed. Firstly, the Himalayan rivers that have originated from the Himalayas. Secondly, the peninsular have originated from peninsula. This Indian river system has been divided into two broad categories. This Indian river system has been divided into two broad categories, known fondly as land of rivers. India is one of the richest countries in the world of culture and resources. Firstly, the Himalayan rivers that have originated from Himalayas. Secondly, peninsula The key difference between these two. Once upon a time, a girl named Cinderella was working as a maid. She was blessed with wishes from fairy. The fairy sent her father to meet Prince. I have a strong desire to see the differences and similarities in blank. People live everywhere in the world. In what people live. How people live everywhere in the world. Similarities and differences in a people. Strong desire to see differences and similarities in a people live everywhere in the world. It has been very clear that excess inflammation impacting the circuits in the brain. It has been very clear that excess inflammation affects the circuit in the brain. Calibri has been the default font for all things Microsoft since 2007. Copenhagen has been the restaurant capital of the world for an number of years. For thousands of years. For a number of years. Romania does not export any of its oil because it has no surplus. Unemployment in this country is due to a surplus in labor. John ran a store for a number of years selling surplus army goods, including clothing, knives. We want to incentive you get a big salary incentive. The rising cost of electricity provides a strong incentive to conserve energy. The current economic conditions have led to a surge in demand for affordable housing, forcing policymakers. Despite significant advances in technology, many BNIG diseases still pose a serious threat to civic health. Advances in genetic engineering have raised a host of ethical questions, including the potential for designer babies and the manipulation. Have raised a host of ethical questions, including the potential technological innovation has the potential to drive economic growth and increase productivity, but also poses risk and challenges that must be addressed. The thunderstorm came suddenly out of nowhere yesterday in the morning and surprising all of us. Mangoes are my favorite fruit in summers, while I like to eating apples during the cold months of winter. The rains is not stopping in Mumbai, and that has caused a lot of floods in the city of the Indian film industry. The singer has a beautiful voice, and his voice makes me calm wherever I listen to his songs. The singer has a beautiful voice, and his voice makes me calm whenever. In the past, people understand the value of water and plan their lives around it. Moreover, more civilization bloom and lost on account of water. Today we have knowledge. But we still fail to understand the value of water. Water scarcity is caused by mismanagement and excess population growth of the water resources. Also, it has man-made issue that continues. Besides some reasons, water scarcity. India is one of the major food growers in the world that produces tons of quantity of food to feed its population and export the surplus that is left. In addition, producing this much food requires a lot of water too. The traditional method due to evaporation. The solution to this problem lies in techniques such as micro irrigation, in which we provide water to plants and crops using sprinkler or drip irrigation. There is need for an as the government should enhance technology to dilute water scarcity as more dangerous problem divided. Also due to our intolerance that we haven't taken the problem of water scarcity seriously. So due to our leniency, forgiveness is the release of resentment or anger. Forgiveness doesn't mean reconciliation. Doesn't have to return the same relationship or accept the same. Forgiveness is vitally important for mental health for those who have been victimized. Forgiveness has been shown to elevate mood. Enhance optimism and guard against anger, stress, anxiety, and depression. Forgiveness can be challenging, especially when the third, cultivate forgiveness by developing compassion for the offender. Reflect on whether the act was due to malicious intent. Forgiving another person. Which of the following pairs has the correct meaning for the word forgiveness? Relighting of a fire, reconciliation, optimism, resentment, the full extent of something from end to end. Which of the following statement is true as per the passage? Forgiveness is not important for our mental health. Forgiveness is more crucial for the victim than the offender. Forgiveness generally means setting back with the people. Which of the following statement can be marked true from second paragraph? It is quite difficult to forgive a person who does not. True. It is healthy to practice forgiveness for one's peace of mind. It is good to ignore the sentiments of resentment. According to the passage, how can we nurture the practice of forgiveness? By forcing ourselves to shut down, by developing compassion for the offender, what has been advised by the author in a situation when we are at fault. To go easy with oneself. Which of the following is that one exceptional case in which the author feels that forgiveness is not the solution to the problem? Sexual abuse. Combination of which of the following can lead to prolonged anxiety and other behavioral issues as per the passage? Forgiving the person but never anxiety and behavioral issues. Anxiety. So the bullying can lead to prolonged anxiety and other behavioral issues as per the passage. One three, I think. Correct meaning. Conciliation. Similarities in a people lives life. Incentive. Despite significant. तो इसमें एक बार स्कोर देख लेते हैं दोस्तों। तो इसमें मेरा स्कोर आया है 85.50 और 93% एक्यूरेसी बनी है। तो देखते परसेंटाइल कितना है इस मॉक में। तो रीजनिंग में रीजनिंग में शायद मेरे लक से वो एक क्वेश्चन सही हो गया, नहीं तो शायद एक क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाता। तो यहाँ पे 98 परसेंटाइल बना। क्वांट में तो पूरे सही है, एक और सही हो सकता था बट ठीक है। यहाँ पे 94 परसेंटाइल बना और इंग्लिश में 6 गलत हो गए और 21.50 स्कोर बना और 74 परसेंटाइल। तो टोटल मेरा 97 परसेंटाइल बना है इस मॉक में और 698 रैंक। तो इसमें अच्छा स्कोर रहा और हम इतना एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, मतलब 80+ तो रहना चाहिए स्कोर। और इसका लेवल भी मुझे रीजनिंग का नॉर्मल लगा, मुश्किल नहीं था। क्वांट का थोड़ा सा अरिथमेटिक के कुछ क्वेश्चन थोड़े से मतलब थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा था उसमें, लेकिन किसी की अगर अच्छी प्रैक्टिस हो तो इजीली कर सकता है। तो एक बार देख लेते हैं क्वांट का। इसमें यार मेरा मुझे लगा था -4। यस -4 ही था, लेकिन यार मैंने किया नहीं और लास्ट में मेरा बनने ही वाला था बट मैंने इतने अच्छे से नहीं लिखा था। थोड़ा सा मतलब खाड़ाखुड़ हुई थी, इसलिए मुझे अच्छे से दिखा नहीं वहाँ पे। इसे मैं बाद में कर लूँगा एनालिसिस में, आपको आंसर ज़रूर दिखाता रहूँ क्योंकि इसमें मतलब वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाती है। इसमें यार कैसे गलत हुआ। Seagrasses are flowering marine plants that have adapted to survive in marine condition. They are mostly found in shallow sand bottoms habitat. ओके यार मैंने वहाँ पे ध्यान नहीं दिया अच्छे से, इसमें भी गलत हो गया। हाउ, मुझे लगा था हाउ। सरप्लस एंड सी में लास्ट में करने वाला था इसे। BNIGN GNIGN स्पेलिंग सही है इसका, बट यहाँ पे यूज करना ठीक नहीं। ऑल आर करेक्ट। रेज्ड, मेरे मतलब बहुत सिली मिस्टेक हुई इंग्लिश में, मतलब ये क्वेश्चन कभी भी गलत नहीं होते मेन एग्जाम में, यहाँ पे ये गलत हुए, ये तो और मार्क्स बन सकते थे। ठीक है दोस्तों, आपका कितना स्कोर रहा इस मॉक में आप कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना। और दोस्तों आप टेलीग्राम को भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा। तो चलिए दोस्तों मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।